In this session, I am going to solve problems number 1 through 5, section 4. They are given on page number 404 and 405. Question number 1 is, if 2 plus a is equal to 2 minus a, what is the value of a? I'll give you two methods. Number 1, 2 plus a is equal to 2 minus a. You can transfer negative a to the left and 2 to the right. So you will get a, it is this a, and this negative a will become positive a on the left hand side, is equal to 2, and this 2 when transferred on the right hand side will become minus 2. On the left hand side you have got a plus a, which is 2a. On the right hand side you have got 2 minus 2, which is 0. So if 2a is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0. Alternatively, if you have 2 plus a is equal to 2 minus a, I'm sure you know that there is only one number in the world which when added or subtracted gives you the same result, and that number is 0. So the answer is a is equal to 0. This was question number 1. Question number 2. There is a triangle ABC with base AC equal to 4 and height or perpendicular is equal to 1. We are required to find the area of this triangle. Well, you know that the area of triangle ABC is equal to half times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 1. You can cancel 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, and you are left with 2. So this is the answer. Question number 3. There are 3 squares A, B and C. The perimeter of A is 2 by 3 that of B, and the perimeter of B is 2/3 of the perimeter of C. And we are given that the area of square A is equal to 16. Find the area of C. Okay? Because we are required to find the area of C, let us assume that the area of C is equal to x square. So this is the area. If area is x square, the sides will be x, and the perimeter will be x plus x plus x plus x. So the perimeter is 4x. Now the perimeter of B is 2/3 of C. So the perimeter of B would be 2 by 3 of the perimeter of A, which is 4x. So this is 2 by 3 times 4x, which is equal to 8x by 3. And the perimeter of C is 2 by 3 of perimeter of B, which is 8x by 3. So this would be 8 2s are 16, x, 3 3s are 9. So this perimeter of C is 16 by 9. Okay, we are given that the area of A is 16. Okay, now perimeter of A is equal to 16x by 9, and area of A is equal to 16. Now if the area of A is 16, one side would be 4. right? And the parameter would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 would be 16. Now we have found the parameter of A in terms of x, and we have found the parameter of A, which is 16. So I can say 16x by 9 is equal to 16. Well, you can cancel 16 from both sides and you will be left with 1. That will give me x is equal to, we transfer 9 on the right hand side, 9 times 1 is 9. So we have found x. What was x? If you remember, x was one side of C. And what are we required to find? The area of C. Now if we know one side of C, we know the area. So the area would be 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. That's the answer. Now, problem number 4. There is a mixture that contains corn, wheat, and rice, and they are in the ratio 3 to 5 to 2. If a bag has 5 pounds of rice or rye, whatever it is, how much of wheat is there? So because we are dealing with rye and wheat, right, we need this part and this part. We do not need C and we do not need 3. So I am writing the same thing. The ratio of wheat to rye is 5 to 2. So this is wheat, this is rye, this is 5, this is 2. A bag has 5 pounds of rye, so this is 5. The question is, how much is wheat? So let us assume that the wheat is x pounds. We can find the value of x in many ways. But what I do usually is x divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 2. So that will give me x divided by 5 is equal to 5 divided by 2. I transfer 5 on the other side. That will go in the numerator, and I will have x is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25, divided by 2, or you can say x is equal to 12.5. That's the answer. Then we move on to question number 5. A figure is drawn. WY is a diameter and the length of diameter is 12. Similarly, XZ is a diameter and the length of the diameter is 12. If the length of the diameter is 12, then XO will be 6. Okay, we are also given that this angle is 135 degrees. If this is 135 degrees, then this angle would be 45 degrees. Let me draw this triangle XMO here. This is 45. This is the right angle. This side is 6. Now, we need to find XM, the length of XM, the length of MO. Now, these two will be same because if this angle is 45, so is this angle. And this is an isosceles triangle, right? So let's assume that this is A. If this is A, this is also A. And using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that A square, perpendicular square, plus base square, A square is equal to square of the hypotenuse, which is 6 square or 36. Now A square plus A square is 2A square is equal to 36. Which means A square is equal to 18, which would mean A is equal to a square root of 18. Now, this is equal to 3 under root 2. So, we have found A, which is 3 under root 2, and this is also 3 under root 2. Please keep in mind that we have got two triangles like this. When we have found the area of one triangle, namely XWO, we will simply double it and we will get the area of the shaded region. Right? Okay, I'm sorry, I have run out of paper. So let me use this part. Now we have found A. See this figure once again before I continue. So we have found A, which is under root 33, and I'm going to use this triangle once again. This is 3 under root 2, this is 3 under root 2, and this is 6. This is side X, this is side M, and this is, vertex X, vertex M, and vertex O. This is a right angle triangle. Now, the formula for the area of a triangle is half times base, which is 3 under root 2, times height, which is 3 under root 2. Right? Okay, I'm sure you know that under root 2 times under root 2 is actually 2. So we have got half times 3, it is this 3, times 3, it is this 3, and under root 2 times under root 2 is 2. Well, you can cancel 2 with 2 and you are left with 9. Now, as I told you before, because there are two shaded regions, you can see this again. The area of this we have found to be equal to 9. Together with this, it will be 2 times 9. So the required area is equal to 2 times 9, which is 18. Okay, if you need help in any topic of mathematics or statistics from grade 1 to university level, or SET or GMAT or GRE, etc., and even if you are working for PhD, you can contact me. My name is Ali, and my telephone number as well as WhatsApp number is 00971 52 401 5331, and my email address is sbarkat@hotmail.com. I wish you good luck.